Good morning and welcome back. We've given this plane a further few hours in the vinegar bath just to try to loosen it up and take out more of the rust once we've taken it to pieces. And we'll have a look now and just see. It's still bubbling a little bit in here, so hopefully quite a lot of this will be gone. The thing we were looking at was the blade, which was pretty nasty, and here it is. It's nearly gone without me even touching it. Oh there, that's so much better. Look at that now. There's no rust on there. The bevel's there. It won't take very much sharpening before that'll be as good as new. Now the cap. Again, the rust is off it. Go. And that moves nicely again, just as we wanted it to. And now the actual bed of the plane. Now look at that. That's really shifted its rust. I brought an old toothbrush here just to help a little bit more the places I can't get at. Now there is a little bit of pitting on the side here where the rust has eaten into it, and I can get rid of that by sanding it over and over again. Fortunately, there is no pitting at all on the sole of the plane, so that's good. That's going to be a lot easier and it'll be more effective. You can see the pitting on there now, but I think we can remove it. There are not too many elements to a plane like this. It's different from the Bailey pattern where there's a lever cap and a chip breaker and a blade. On this one, this serves the purpose of both the lever cap and the chip breaker. A little bit more modern, I suppose. Right, that being done, now the next stage is to give it some sand, some emery paper. There's no sand involved in sandpaper, but we still call it that. And we'll sand this down as best we can and see if we can get it back to shiny. But that is an outside job, so join me outside for more.